how to set up alarms on a Samsung or other Android device. In order to use alarms on your phone, Bluetooth must be switched on before starting your sensor. Your phone must then be kept within 20 feet of you and unobstructed in order to maintain contact with the sensor. Access the alarm screen through the main menu. This is the third option down. On the alarm screen, you will find 3 alarm options. From the top left down, these are low glucose alarm, high glucose alarm, and signal loss alarm. All alarms are switched off by default. Low glucose alarm. Selecting the low glucose alarm option will take you to the low glucose alarm screen. At the top of this screen and to the right-hand side is an off switch. Selecting this will turn the low glucose alarm on. The low glucose alarm is set to notify you when your glucose goes below 3.9 millimoles by default. The next option down on the screen will allow you to change this by means of a scrolling list in the center of the top portion of the screen. Once you have selected the desired level, you will need to select the Save button at the bottom right of the screen. On the low glucose alarm screen, you can also access options to change the alarm tone and manage permissions for the app to override your Do Not Disturb settings. Both options will take you to the notification settings of the app. High glucose alarm. Selecting the high glucose alarm option will take you to the high glucose alarm screen. At the top of this screen and to the right-hand side is an off switch. Selecting this will turn the high glucose alarm on. The high glucose alarm is set to notify you when your glucose goes above 13.3 millimoles by default. The options available on this screen are the same as on the low glucose alarm screen. Signal loss alarm. Selecting the signal loss alarm option will take you to the signal loss alarm screen. At the top of this screen and to the right-hand side is an off switch. Selecting this will turn the signal loss alarm on. The signal loss alarm will notify you if your phone loses Bluetooth contact with the sensor for a period of more than 20 minutes. There are alarm tone and override options available on this screen, the same as on the glucose alarm screens. You're all set. We hope you enjoy your experience with the FreeStyle Libre 2 system. For more information or support, contact our customer care line on 0800 170 1177.
The information provided is not intended to be used for medical diagnosis or treatment or as a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult your physician or qualified health provider regarding your condition and appropriate medical treatment. Individual symptoms, situations, and circumstances may vary.